are these little babies. Oh my gosh. Y'all are perfection. So cute. Oh my gosh. Just the sweetest little baby ever. Just the sweetest little baby. So sweet. Oh, are you sleeping? Oh, what are you doing, silly? She's so cute. Oh my gosh, she's such a little cuddle bug. So sweet. She loves to cuddle. She's so comfy. I love it. She's really fluffy. Oh, I love puppies. You're perfect. You're perfect in every way. Get that little face. Oh my god, that was perfect. Oh, I'm sorry, cutie. Oh my god, she's so bad. Okay, she's like, now. Wide awake. I'm sorry, baby. Baby's just so cute. They just want to cuddle and sleep. They're just so sweet. Sweetest puppies ever. Oh my gosh, so cute. Trying to get comfy. Yes, baby. He's so cute. Look at that face. He's a sweetheart. He just loves to cuddle. He loves kisses. He loves to relax. He's a relaxable baby. I love it. I love it. My stinking cuteness. Oh, baby, don't cry. Don't cry. Oh, baby, look at you. Look. Oh, you sweet boy. You sweet boy with that sweet face. This sweet baby boy. He's a cuddle monster. He loves cuddles. He loves kisses. He loves everything. Everything warm and cozy is him. Look at this cute baby. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest ever. He's got that cute face of him. Oh, the puppy. Oh, it's so cute. So sweet. Look at this. Look at this baby. Fluffy and tiny. I just love it. I love little tiny fluffy babies. They're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh, you want to come cuddle with us? Oh, look. Climbing up. Come cuddle. Come cuddle. Look at them. We just want to cuddle together. Oh my God, so sweet. I sleepy. I want to take a nap. Please let me take a nap. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I know I woke you up. Mister. You are so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love them. I puppy breath. Excuse me. You're so cute. Like, oh my gosh. Cutie baby. Cutest baby ever. These babies are not the cutest puppies ever. I don't know what is, because come on, look at these little faces. These little chunky monkeys. These little chunky faces. Oh my gosh, y'all are so cute. So cute, sweet. Y'all love each other, y'all want to cuddle. Look how cute.